Hello everybody, I am Dr. Saurabh Sadekar, consultant neurologist. Today on this World Stroke Day, I take this opportunity to share my inputs about increasing awareness of stroke. Stroke is the most common neurological condition that we see these days in our OPD or in clinics. The incidence of stroke is also very high these days in youngsters as well as middle-aged population. So how to recognize or realize that a nearby person or a family member is getting stroke or has the signs and symptoms of stroke? It is very easy. Just remember the English word FAST, F-A-S-T, fast. This is a mnemonic. So how to keep it in mind, how to realize all the important alphabets here is F stands for face, A stands for arm or hand, S stands for speech, and finally T stands for time. So just remember F, where it stands for face, that means one half of the face, either it is drooping down or the face looks asymmetrical. When it comes to arm or hand, just remember that one side of the body, same side hand, same side leg is feeling weak, is feeling numbness or is feeling uncomfortable. When it comes to speech, the person is unable to speak suddenly or there is a sudden loss of clarity in the speech, sudden loss of pronunciation. And T, that is time. Just remember one more thing, time is brain, brain is time. If you see these kind of symptoms in a family member or a nearby person, rush him to the nearest hospital immediately, because only then can the scans be done immediately, can medical attention be sought immediately, and treatment can be started as soon as possible. Always the sooner the better, because the earlier we start treatment, the earlier clot busting injection is given to the patient, earliest blood flow improvement in the brain will start happening. And once this happens, the stroke or the paralytic attack is either halted there itself or it can be even completely reversed. Hence, time is so important in such a condition. Also, for this clot busting injection, 4.5 hours is considered as a deadline. That means after 4.5 hours, this injection cannot be given. Hence, they say bring the patient immediately, and hence time is brain, brain is time.